CEF, Cisco Express Forwarding. So we are going to be discuss Cisco Express Forwarding, और इसमें हमारी ना couple of things we are going to be discuss. What is that? Layer 2, layer 3 switch difference. Then we are going to be discuss control plane and the data plane difference. Then we are going to be discuss TCAM difference. Then switching method type, and then HDM. These are the 5 things which we are going to be covered. But first, come to the first one. This is the layer 2, layer 3 switch difference. So I have one layer 2 switch. This is my layer 3 switch. So layer 2 switch पे क्या क्या फीचर्स हैं ये हम अभी डिटेल्स में यहाँ पे मैं एक नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे बताऊंगा. जस्ट ओवरव्यू लेते हैं. यहाँ पे स्विच विद इन ए वीलैन. आपके पास अगर 2 वीलैन है, लाइक 2 कंप्यूटर्स हैं, and if they belong to same VLAN, then they will be able to communicate. If are the different, both are belong to the different VLAN, they will not be. For that, we need a L3 switch or router. For example, मेरी एक छोटी सी साइट है और कोई भी, and then I have the couple of switch L2, like 4 or 5. जैसे कि मेरा L2 switch है, I don't want to use any L3 switch. So what I can do, I can use a single VLAN, like VLAN 1 default VLAN होता है, I can use. So मेरा क्या होगा, कनेक्टिविटी में आपस में कर सकता हूँ, it will be work. But अगर मुझे लाइक यहाँ पे इस पे VLAN मुझे 10, then 20 or 30, or there are the multiple VLAN, for that I need L3 switch or router. Or filter traffic based on layer 2. That means MAC address. Layer 2 means MAC address. अगर मुझे फिल्टर भी करना है अपने यहाँ पे क्या ट्रैफिक आ रहा है, कोई लिमिट लगानी है, कुछ भी पॉलिसी कॉन्फ़िगर करनी है, व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन ओनली एंड ओनली टू बी कॉन्फ़िगर द पोर्ट सिक्योरिटी. पोर्ट सिक्योरिटी कमांड आप यू कैन कॉन्फ़िगर हियर. बस वही आपके पास ऑप्शन है, बिकॉज मैक एड्रेस पे आप यू कैन नॉट डू एनी ACL और सम अदर पॉलिसी. तो आप एक पोर्ट इस पे आपकी एक लिमिटेशन होती है. तो आप पोर्ट सिक्योरिटी कॉन्फ़िगर करके, and that is the things you can do only and only to the layer 2. Layer 3 switch पे आप switch within a VLAN, आपका within VLAN same, and route between VLAN. आपके पास अगर multiple VLAN है, you can route between the VLAN as well with the help of L3 switch. Filter traffic based on layer 2, layer 3 and as well 4 also. How? You can configure the ACL and which IP you want to be filtered or you want to be block or allow with respective port number. So you can use the ACL, and with the help of ACL you can filter the traffic based on layer 3, layer 4 and layer 2 as well. Come to the next slide. यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे layer 2, then we are going to be discuss layer 3 in details. So layer 2 में क्या होता है, like forwarding on the layer 2 is based on the destination MAC address. आपका अगर layer 2 पे आपका फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हो आप कोई भी पैकेट, पैकेट बोला फ्रेम, सो व्हाट विल बी हैपन, वो ओनली एंड ओनली टू बी डिसीजन लेगा डेस्टिनेशन मैक एड्रेस पे. ठीक है. आवर स्विच विल लर्न सोर्स मैक एड्रेस ऑन द इनकमिंग इंटरफेस. हियर यू कैन सी H1 want to send some data to H2. So what H1 will send? H1 will send the source MAC address, self address, destination B, source IP self and destination IP H2. In case when traffic will enter to this switch, what will happen? Whenever Ethernet frame enter one of the our interface, and we will check the MAC address table and find out the destination MAC address, and we will send out it to the correct interface. Layer 3 जो डिसीजन लेता है वो डेस्टिनेशन IP के यहाँ पे लेता है, which I am going to be cover in my next slide. So now come back to the L2. So L2 switch पे what you can do? There are the 3 things simply. First, switch will verify the checksum of the Ethernet frame to make sure it is not corrupted or alerted. What is the meaning? Like when your traffic is coming to application layer, then presentation layer, then session layer, then it will become to the transport layer. Here it will be TCP or UDP, it will be tagged, okay, TCP. Suppose then it will become to the network layer. Network layer will be add IP address, source IP address and the destination, and then it will become to the data link layer. Data link layer, they will add the MAC address, source MAC address and destination MAC address as well as check the checksum also will be happen on the data link layer. So switch will verify the checksum of the Ethernet frame and to make sure it is not corrupted. Switch will receive the Ethernet frame and add the source MAC address and the destination MAC address. switch will forward the Ethernet frame to the correct interface. If it is known the destination address, that's fine. If not, then it will do the floating. Then it will do the broadcast. Suppose H1 want to send data some to H2 and there is no MAC entry for now. So I have the couple of links here and all are the connected. Some of the computers are connected. And when switch will come here, so when the Ethernet frame will come here, source MAC address and destination will be, in that case, broadcast. FFF. Okay, then switch will make the entry for the H1 and then it will do the broadcast to all the interface, and then all the interface will verify, all the computer will verify is this belong to them. If not, then they will going to be discard, not going to be respond. Only H2 will check, yeah, it's for me, then it will be respond. And then switch will make the entry and then it will be forward to the correct interface, the traffic. These are the only three things will be happened by in the layer 2. Now come to the layer 3. Layer 3. I have the one H1, same example, H2, but I have the VLAN 10, here VLAN 20. Now I have the different subnet also, 10 and the 20. So here you can check H1 sending IP packet to H2, not they are belong to the different subnet. So we will have to be route. And when multi-layer switch will receive the IP packet, what will happen? Switch will verify the checksum of the Ethernet frame and will make sure it is not corrupted. Ethernet frame and the IP packet to make sure it is not corrupted or alerted. The next step, what will we do? They will make the Ethernet frame IP packet. What will be the IP packet? Source MAC address, self MAC address A. Destination MAC address. Destination MAC address, it will be because this is my gateway router. Because they belong to the different subnet. So what they will do, they will make the destination will be the gateway router IP. So sorry, MAC address, gateway MAC address. So this is interface MAC address. You can see the FFF. Now source IP will be the 10.1 and destination IP 20.2. So please make a note, source IP and destination IP will not be changed. So what will happen now when packet will reach to this interface, then again my source IP will be changed, source IP will be same and destination IP will be same. Source MAC address will be come to the GGG. I have mentioned here. Source MAC address change AA to GGG. That one. GGG. Now my source MAC address this and destination MAC address will be BBB. And source IP same .1 and destination IP .2. See. When traffic will reach to here, then when H2 will reply, what will happen now? My source IP will be changed. Source IP will be 20.1, and then destination IP now my 10.1. 10.1. What will be my source? Source will be now my return. This is for my return traffic, BBB, and the destination will be GGG. When traffic will reach to this switch, then again another packet will be generated. What will be now? Source and destination IP will be same. Only source will be changed, FFF and AA. And TTL value also decrease when it will be reached to the switch. Checksum will be calculated. So this is the difference between layer 2 and layer 3. होप आपको समझ आया होगा. जल्दी मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट कंट्रोल प्लेन एंड डेटा प्लेन के डिफरेंस में. थैंक यू.